get carsick?
I am this close to puking right now.
Our champion of IRL Typeracer is...
What?
Hit it. Hey, anyone can type on a desk, not going 120 miles per hour, but what if we changed that with a supercar? A faceless professional driver, 4 overqualified contestants, an Alienware laptop, and more horsepower than sense. Your entire run will be monitored by a custom program that will look out for any typos. If it detects you typing correctly, the light in the car will appear green, meaning the driver will floor it. If you make a mistake, the lights in the car will turn red, which will cause the car to brake as hard as it can. So you're gonna want to be accurate, despite everything. Let's keep going. Oh, no. Typeracer is a website that allows you to compete with your friends or strangers to see who's the fastest typer. Now, everyone starts the race with a little adorable JPEG of a car, and to make that car go faster, you just type faster. At the beginning of the race, everyone has the same prompt, and whoever finishes it first wins. Now, Typeracer is supremely addicting, quite intense, and also has been the ultimate test of typing acumen. Until today. But if you wanted to see me uncomfortable in the passenger seat of a car, you could have just come with me to prom. Good news, we have our 4 real keyboard warriors here who are gonna go ahead and face off shortly in gladiatorial typing combat. Up first, it's someone who has thousands of kills in game and one we are legally not allowed to talk about, Alixxa. Up next, it's someone who constantly makes me say, wow, Max. After that, it's someone who made me look up if Canada uses the same keyboard layout as the United States, Rogue. And finally, the one person I'm actually too scared to make a joke about, the King of Keys and the Rift, Broxah. So thank you all for being here. We will all be sharing the same Alienware X15 laptop, which has a great keyboard and is compact, which is nice because when it's on your lap, there's not a lot of room in the car. So where are we at generally with like excitement versus nerves?
No nerves, all excitement.
All excitement?
Yep.
No nerves?
No nerves. Nope.
No nerves.
I go in a car every time. You know, it's fine.
You know, it's funny, you say you're confident, but you look a little nauseous just talking about it as well.
That was a little mean, wasn't it? I thought he was nice. Wasn't he nice?
His whole thing is being nice.
Oh, that's crazy.
So we did test WPM before this to determine typing order, and we learned that Broxah types the fastest, but we also learned that Broxah doesn't type on a QWERTY keyboard. Is that gonna be a problem?
I have so much practice typing with my solo queue teammates throughout the year, so I think it'll work out regardless.
All right, let's go ahead and get in the car and on the track. Does anybody want to go first?
Yes.
Okay, bad news, Alixxa, you're actually gonna go first.
What? Okay.
With trash talk administered, it's time to get Alixxa into the most expensive desk chair she will ever sit in.
It's a nice car. Hello.
Okay, your run starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, that is fast.
Oh, man.
No.
Why are they not driving?
Oh, she hit the brake, that's why.
Oh.
Off to a rough start.
Oh, another one.
Dude.
Stopping again. Wow.
Stopping every turn. That's hilarious.
Here we go. Don't make a mistake now.
Getting ideas for my own strategy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, just like not do what she's doing right now.
She needs to make up some time, right?
Another one. Jeez.
I can't believe how many mistakes she's making.
And we are finally in the home stretch. It is the last sentence.
Big straight right here.
There we go.
Here she comes.
And that is the whole prompt. Finished right back at the starting line. Okay, you just finished your run, Alixxa. How was it?
Insane. I loved it. Can I go again?
What, you like the speed? You like the typing?
Well, the typing was kind of a nuisance, but the speed was cool. It didn't feel like I was going as fast as I was, which I liked, but at the same time, it was cool getting to just look out the window when I was done typing.
How fast was Alixxa going?
125.
That's pretty fast.
That is kind of fast. It didn't feel like that.
Did you get sick?
I was, but I feel like once it started, like the only scary part was like at the very beginning when I went, but then after that I was like, okay, I'm locked in and I'm doing it, and then it was fine.
Do you have any advice for them?
Good luck, have fun, and warm up your fingers before you go when it's cold.
Well, thank you.
Run 2 in 3, 2, 1, go.
Amazing.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah,
That's a lot of backspacing.
That was not good.
oh, he still stopped.
Looks like he's got it going again.
Oh, dude,
That is another full stop.
Oh, they started again.
Oh, there's another one.
Yikes.
I thought he would be the better one because he's been on the racetrack a lot, so he'd be used to the speed.
You know, that's a lot of stopping.
Here he comes.
Here's the main stretch.
Finally.
That car's moving. All right, Rogue, a little bit of a rough start out the gate for you, but I feel like you recovered pretty good once you got into the curves. What was it like being in the seat?
Well, it's a tight seat, number one. So like I hit my head going in. One of the first problems. I think that's why I did bad.
So you think you did bad?
Well, no, I think I did good.
Okay, you think you did good.
Well, I think I did bad.
Okay, so you think you did bad.
Maybe a little bit.
Okay. Oh, was there a point where you started to feel queasy?
No, like getting out of the car probably. Like after. Like at no point in the car was I queasy, but I was just like, it hits you after. I don't know why.
How do you think you fare? Your chances are for winning this at this point?
I shouldn't even be up here right now. Like, absolutely not.
Now it's Max's turn. 3, 2, 1, punch it.
There he goes.
Oh, wow.
That is a hard break.
Oh, that's a real cup. That's a cup.
Wow, I can't believe how many mistakes he's making. Oh, he stopped again.
Ruh-roh.
Come on, come on, come on.
Really surprising number of mistakes.
Wow, he's actually fast. They're actually doing really good.
And that's it. Max used more of the track, but will his WPM be higher? So Max, you were probably doing the most game planning before you got in the car, like you had a lot of strategy you're running through. Did that help?
No. I don't think so.
So what was it like when you actually sat in the car and you launched off?
That was awesome. Around that first turn, I think, is where I kind of was like, okay, this is gonna be pretty hard to do.
So what was your average words per minute not in the car?
Around 100.
Okay, so what do you think you did in the car?
I'm gonna guess around 40 to 50.
So you did a 38.
Okay.
Which is only like, it's a little better than a third of your normal speed.
Yeah.
Do you think that's gonna be enough to hold off Broxah?
No.
We'll find out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Broxah, no umlauts on this keyboard, and the semicolon is next to the L. We're gonna get started in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, let's go. You messed up.
Couldn't even make it past the turn. Oh, instantly another one.
Dude, the EU keyboard diff.
Can we give him another go? Oh, that's a long stop. Ruh-roh.
Oh, they started again.
Look at that. He could be done right now. Never mind.
I think they're making good time.
Wow, he's actually fast. How is he doing this?
He's already done?
Well, good luck to us.
And with that, let's give out some awards. With the conclusion of Broxah's race, we are ready to start to announce times and give out medals and see who actually won. Where do you guys think that you placed? How do you think you did, Max?
I'm gonna guess first or second.
First or second? You feel confident? Alixxa?
Third or fourth.
Third or fourth? Okay. Rogue. Okay, Broxah, do you think you took it home?
I am this close to puking right now. I have no comments.
Okay, that's good. So let me actually grab the times real quick. Coming in fourth place with a words per minute of 25.66 is Rogue. Woo. Look at that. Third place with words per minute of 37.8, Alixxa.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, it's
What's better, League or World of Warcraft?
Max and Broxah, our champion of IRL Typeracer with a words per minute of 44.3, is the king of keys, Broxah. Blue, you gotta, come on, we just gotta. He'll get there eventually.
Thank you.
Broxah, any words for your fans?
Couldn't do this without you. Thank Mr. Steve. Thank Mr. Liquid.
Thank you.
There you go, Max. You get to keep that forever. That's a second place medal.
Amazing.
Well, thanks, Alienware, and thanks for some of you for literally like flying across the world to get here to a silly little racetrack. We had a lot of fun, I think. Nobody puked. That's a win. Let's take it home. Everybody, see you later.